Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by selecting the row or rows you want to resize. Click the row number at left, hold Shift for arrange or Control for separate rows. Once selected, inspect for merged cells, wrap text, or hidden rows because those affect height. Make sure text wrapping is on if you want dynamic height, otherwise Excel will clip content. If you need precise control, note the default point size and font. Those determine baseline height calculations before you change anything. Now change the height using one of three methods. Drag the lower border of the row header to visually adjust, stop when content fits. For exact values, right-click the row header, choose row height, and type a point size. Press Enter. For automatic fit, go to Home, right arrow Format, right arrow Auto Fit row height, and Excel adjusts to wrap text. Once done, compare neighboring rows. Consistent fonts or cell padding may require repeating adjustments for uniform appearance across the sheet. Finish by reviewing your sheet in normal and page layout views to ensure heights behave in printing and viewing. If auto-fit doesn't expand a row, check for merged cells, unmerge or manually set a larger height. Merged cells prevent auto-fit. Make sure wrapping is enabled where needed, otherwise content stays truncated. For many rows, use Home, right arrow Format, right arrow row height in bulk, or run a short VBA macro to apply consistent sizes across sheets, which saves time and avoids manual errors.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.